I thought there is only one superhero in our state, Sri Nagarjuna Garu. But today I have found out there are more than 3,000 superheroes who has pledged the organs for donation. So we have 3,000 superheroes as of now. By end of today we are expecting about 5,000 superheroes who are pledging their organs for donation. By end of this year, we hope that we will reach about 100,000 of people who will be registering with us for the donation of the organs. Ladies and gentlemen, today's chief guest, Akkineni Nagarjuna Garu, all the dignitaries and dais, of the dais, family of Yashoda members, there are 6,000 plus today as of now, officers of the Jeevandan, all our chief secretaries from the health and other departments, press and electronic media. I welcome you all to this august gathering, where I am extremely happy to welcome you all. If you see that organ transplant system in our country, there are lakhs and lakhs of patients whose only way of survival is an organ transplant. They need an organ because there are liver failure patients, there are heart failure patients, there are lung failure, kidney failure, plenty of failure. We transplant organs only at the end stage. Not all heart transplant patients will be given like that. Only few of them who are young, who at the end stage where the drugs won't work. This is one stage where there are lakhs of people waiting. There are hospitals and doctors, trained systems are in place, protocols in place where we can do transplants. Then what we need is the donors. Unfortunately, as Dr. Vishnu has explained to all of us, our society needs to be informed or sensitized about the donation of the organs by us when there is a brain death. Each one person after the brain death can save about 7 lives. 1 heart, 2 lungs, 2 kidneys, 1 liver and sometimes eyes. Because of the lack of awareness, many of the patients are dying. The people who have pledged can live with a satisfaction. After our end of our life, we can save 7 lives at a stretch after we call the day in this world. Ladies and gentlemen, from Yashoda Hospital we have taken this as a program, a system whereby we would like to educate our society, sensitize our society for this kind of program. And I am very, very happy about the response of all the senior members here from bureaucrats and other departments. There are some senior judges and other things. And lot of people also have come. I am sure lot of students have come. I am sure we need students to educate their parents also about this. With this, I thank you all for making this a great occasion. Thank you, sir.